lend itself to an air quality advisory today. It goes until midnight. Our AQI at the moment, 128. So to put that into perspective, it's unhealthy for sensitive groups to be outside for long extended periods of time. Compare that to last week when, we had to pretty much all stay indoors. That was at about 300, so not nearly as bad. Looking at our skies today, we didn't have the fog this morning. We don't have the haze that was around, but we did have a few just puffy cumulus clouds on our North Canton weather camera. But the big story today is the heat. Could be potentially our first 90-degree day. Warmest so far we've seen. We had 2 days in the upper 80s, both in May and June, 87. The last time we saw 90 degrees was back in August of last year. So if I go ahead and pull up our temperatures at the moment, 87 in Cleveland, 89 in Lorain. Cleveland actually just dropped a degree. There is a lake breeze intact, I expect, as well, so that could keep those of you along the lakeshore a little bit cooler. So a couple more degrees, and we're going to be hitting that first 90-degree day of the year. We usually get 9 in the entirety of summer. That's just the average. So looking at satellite and radar, aside from the heat, it is fairly sunny. I will say you could just see the stray-est shower, especially in the eastern half of the viewing area at the moment. Got some heat, got a little bit of humidity out there as well. As for our next frontal boundary, it's beginning to develop. It's stretching from Green Bay over to Minneapolis. This is going to inch towards us as we head towards our lunch hour tomorrow. So let's walk through it hour by hour here. Through the evening, you're going to sit nice and dry, but it will stay warm through the drive home and your dinner time hours. Overnight, we're only going to fall to about 70 through early morning tomorrow. So air conditioner, fan, whatever you can do, stay cool overnight. Tomorrow by your lunch hour, there is a look at that line. It's not going to be widespread at any point in time except for maybe around the 3-4 o'clock hour, but still the showers will be broken. So a broken line of rain and storms, a couple of which could be some downpours and gusty conditions within them, dying down the later into the evening you get. And behind it, we've got cooler air intact. Now after that, let me pull up our regional futurecast here. So this is picking up on Thursday afternoon. Heading towards Friday, we're dry. Bulk of Saturday sits dry. And then late Saturday into Sunday is when our next shot at some rain showers is. So here's a look at the next 8 days. Pretty summery. Pretty nice, too. Today is going to be the hottest for us. If you don't like the heat, don't worry. It's gone by Friday. We're going to be in the upper 70s once again. Best chance for rain and storms will be Thursday and then again on Sunday. As for temperatures, they slowly work their way back into the mid-80s by next work week. Everyone take care.